You're watching EDS TV.
What? You have a stop sign. You have a sign.
The driver who hit the camera initially claimed that the camera was the one who ran the stop sign, and then changed their story to quote unquote, "I was trying to slow down but my car wasn't braking," after dashcam footage prevailed. This is irrefutable proof that karma does in fact exist. Being an idiot, especially an aggressive one, will bite you in the end. I'd argue that the camera's at fault here. Right turn always has the right of way unless the other driver has the arrow. And the other driver's at fault for the hit and run. Different tickets for each for sure. I don't know how to respond to that. Yeah, well, me neither. I sure hope that turd felt like a bigger man for drawing a weapon. I wonder what he saw that made him go back and decide to get a gun. This was honestly kind of painful to watch, like watching GTA just without the violence. That was some professional level leapfrog. I think those drivers should start the National Leapfrog Association.
It's a great point by Doggy. If it is Miami, Damian Lillard and Jimmy Butler are on the same timeline. So in some ways, Stephen A., I agree that is sort of what makes sense.
So many idiots in such a small space. The Cadillac SUV for giving the truck the wave of death, the truck for not stopping at a stop sign, and the trailer guy for driving in the turning lane. A little over the speed limit or not, that's no excuse for the other driver nearly causing this accident. That biker definitely gave off "don't look at me" energy. That bike could have easily made that turn. The dummy panicked and hit the rear brake. I wonder who taught him. Door can't close? No problem. That driver has places he's gotta be.
Whoa! Are you kidding?
Yeah.
He saw the truck moving and just thought it was time to go. Likely because he's on his phone, so his peripherals seeing the red truck move was his cue to go. Then they tried to pass the camera in anger as if they were in the right, but the camera was turning and they just looked stupid and impatient. How embarrassing. She hit the hydraulic fluid box and hydraulic fluid started leaking out all into the road. Her insurance is not going to be happy. A lot of you have some probably good ideas as to why, such as drugs, alcohol, dementia, but let me say that some states are just plagued with absolutely miserable drivers. Minimal injuries probably for the same reason drunk drivers tend to walk away from bad accidents with minimal injuries. When you're in an impaired state, your reaction time is much slower, so there's less of a tendency to tense up, bracing for the impending impact. That bracing is what causes things like broken bones. Looks like a good old case of rules for thee and not for me mentality. This better not be one of those, oh, check out the power in my SUV, I ran a red light dashcam clips. That sure does look intentional by that truck driver. No signal whatsoever. This could have been bad, but I'm glad that the camera came out unscathed. Those sand barriers worked great. I'd argue that they saved that person's life.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on usadashcams.com, you get 10% off and free shipping.